Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows action needed on Wi-Fi problem. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system. Click and expand current control set. Click and expand services. Click and expand NLASVC. Click and expand parameters. Click Internet. Open Enable Active Probing, change value data to 0. Click and expand H key local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows. Click and expand Network Connectivity Status Indicator. Right-click New, D-Word 32-bit value. Type No Active Probe, N, A and P are capital letters. Change value data to 1, click OK. Right-click New, D-Word 32-bit value. Type Disable Passive Polling, D, P and P are capital letters. Change value data to 1, click OK and exit Registry Editor, restart system. Second method is type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar, click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand System. Click and expand Internet Communication Management. Click Internet Communication Settings. Open Turn off Windows Network Connectivity Status Indicator Active Test. Check Enabled, click Apply, click OK. Close and restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, see you next video.